Welcome to Arlen's Garden, where we grow and preserve food. Today I'm going to be working on a project in my shed, storage shelves, and I have Matt here. He's going to collaborate with me.
Hi everyone.
And I need more storage in there. I got a lot of junk I need to put away, so I'll show you where it's going to be at. I'm going to put the shelf right here. It's going to be as tall as this one, and then it'll be up to here. It'll have 3 shelves like this one, and ends up being a place to put junk, so I'm going to make it more useful. And then maybe one of these, this is 10 inches and our shelves are 12, so I'm going to slide these in somewhere in there. Anyway, so we'll get going. We got all the stuff we need. First step is going to be, these are the sides. It's 3 foot by 18, I think. 17 and a half. So this is the top piece, and it's the same length as the shelf. So we're gonna put we're gonna glue that and put some brackets in here that I salvaged from another project. These little guys. So we're gonna use that. We're gonna go down the width of that board so it's nice and flush. And then Matt brought some DeWalt tools with him. We're gonna probably need these to. Oh, magnetic yet. Mm-hmm. Whoa!
Fancy.
So we're gonna use these for sure on the bottom shelf, or on the bottom. And then glue just to make it nice and tight.
Mm-hmm. Then we got some pipe clamps over there, right? And we're gonna use that to hold it all together.
That's right.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put it together, frame it, and then clamp it down and see how it looks, and then put the other shelves in. So
I guess glue first, right?
Glue, and then should I mark a line?
There we go. That's about square right there.
Okay. So the line will be on. We don't cover the line.
Right. It'll be just on the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good.
All right.
We put that over there. Let's run the glue real quick.
Matt brought the Gorilla Glue.
It's good glue.
I was using liquid nail
that's good stuff too.
For the bigger wood projects, but sometimes this is.
This stuff's really good with wood, all types of wood, whether it's finished or unfinished or anything. I've never had an issue with it coming off. As long as you put a good amount.
So we're going to put 3. Wood here. Okay. Do you want to... We covered the line, right?
The line was just below this board. So it should be about good.
So let's screw that in.
Okay.
I want to screw the nail.
Sure. Okay. We're going to use these screws?
Yeah. I was about ready to convert to a DeWalt after my Home Depot stuff starts wearing out. Now Matt's going to make me convert.
Yeah. I think DeWalt should sponsor this video. No, I've never had issues with DeWalt. And they're very good, very tough. And I like that I can swap the batteries. That's very helpful. And I even have a double battery, a portable little shotgun from DeWalt. And this is my double battery. It's the flex volt battery, and this thing runs forever.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's fantastic. I use this thing when I sand because it just doesn't die. It just keeps going. So
I went to Reddit and they were talking about that.
Flex volt.
Yeah,
They're expensive batteries. Like I think a 2-pack is like $150. But they're very good.
Yeah.
So that looks good there, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
course, I got it on there so good I can't move it now.
I'm trying to press. That thing got tight. How tight that got.
There we go.
Okay, this is our plan to.
Okay, let's pop it on there. So this part looks perfectly flush. This one might need to come down a little bit on the back.
Oh.
You see on the back here?
Oh, I see. Yeah. Okay.
Close though. Hold it down right there. Let's see if we have to move the middle one down too. It might be okay.
No.
Actually, no, that looks good, doesn't it?
That looks really good.
Okay. You know, I sometimes when I'm doing projects, I have the youth group guys come and help me with stuff. And basically I've been teaching them how to use a drill and an impact. And I was trying to explain, look, you got to start off slow and then build up speed, and that's the way you get the screw in. And hopefully they'll remember that next time. Maybe they'll see this video and realize, hey, see? I got to do it like that.
That's good. Showing them guys how to. For some reason, this board's longer, but this is the front, so it's not gonna matter.
All right, ready?
Yeah. Nice.
Good.
Pulled that right in. These latches came from a bookshelf that I got from the church for free.
Oh, nice.
And we weren't using it anymore. And we needed some electrical work done. So Elisa goes, let's get rid of that thing. So I thought I couldn't waste it all. So I took everything apart from it. And I thought, I'll just save these. I'll never probably use these, you know.
That's like me. When people get rid of stuff, I want to pull it apart and take whatever little thing I can out of it.
This is already going better than I thought.
It's because you have 4 sets of hands.
Yeah. In my imagination. Oh yeah.
A little tighter?
Maybe. Or is that just the whole thing, maybe?
Well, yeah, it's not completely solid yet.
Good. There
Let
we
me
go.
tighten this center just a little more. Yeah, I think that's as tight as it can get.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, do we need to see?
I'm thinking let's
Flip it.
Maybe we should stand it up and then we can pop the clamp right on top of it.
Okay.
Can line it up and the clamp can hold it while we brace it.
Let's put those screws brackets in first.
Okay. We can do that.
Yeah.
How far do we have to do that?
5
What was
3/4.
Yeah, about 3/4. Okay.
Cool. Quarter. Okay, that looks good.
That looks about good, yeah.
So, looks good from here, huh? I might need this. Get out of the shade here.
Does that look about matched with the other ones?
Yeah. That looks really good.
All right.
And the glue, I'll get the glue here. Nice.
One more. That might be a little bit too low. Let's hold it on there.
A little bend down. Okay. Here, put the glue on. Just
Gotta really squeeze it.
it's one of those, huh?
Yeah, it's almost done. That's why it's getting low.
Feels like it's full though.
It's just a lot of tension from the glue because the glue is so thick.
Is that normal for Gorilla?
Well, I've had it for a while too.
Man.
If it gets too bad, we could pop the squeezed cap off there. Get your workout in today.
Making an old guy work.
Yeah, me too.
That's.
Oh yeah, it's getting really low. Oh, that's part of the problem. Look at that. Let me. Dry glue. This happens with this type of glue. That's the problem.
The Gorilla doesn't know when to stop.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah. Look at all that.
That flew up in the air.
Let me throw it over here. I'll throw it out.
Yeah, just in a way.
Wow. Okay, I think that'll be better.
Boy,
We're still having trouble.
I think the end.
There should still be some glue in there. I think part of it is that there's a bunch of gunk stuck in here too. So you could, yeah, go out slowly like that. There.
Whoa,
Okay. Hang on. There we go.
Look at that. It dries clear, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
It dries clear.
It dries clear.
No problems
it's okay.
here.
It'll be fine. Watch, Brad Esselberm's gonna watch this video and be laughing at us.
Oh yeah, look at that. Looks like a pancake batter there. For you pancake makers.
You never know what's gonna happen. Make sure that that's okay.
There.
Look all right?
Yeah.
All right.
Now we got glue on this thing.
Yeah, lots of glue. Got one screw here, and we get two more.
Oh yeah. So Matt does, he reclaims furniture, he buys old furniture. He took a coffee table made at entertainment center for the youth room. And I looked at that thing and I was like, whoa. Had doors on it and everything and an open section in the middle. Maybe I'll get a picture of it. And doors on both sides, an open section for the VCR. I guess not a VCR.
No, not VCR anymore. More for like a DVD player or a gaming console or something
Gaming
like that.
console.
But yeah, the same principle.
Gaming. Console. Oh, brother.
Whatever. Everything's all different nowadays. I grew up with VCRs. But you know, the kids nowadays, they don't. They don't. A lot of them don't even know what a VCR is anymore.
Yeah. At the end of the VCR era, Walmart was selling them for like $49.
Well, you know, and my mother told me that when she and my father bought their first, put a little more pressure on that.
There we go.
There we go. Okay.
Nice.
When they bought their first VCR, I think it probably was back in the late '80s. They paid $500 for it.
Yeah.
Back when it first came out. Yeah. And then look at how cheap they were at the end of the era. How does that feel, okay?
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, we were paying about that much for. We got married in 1987 and didn't have VCR. Had a rent phone.
Oh, really?
Blockbuster. You could rent. You could rent VCRs from Blockbuster.
I didn't know you could rent VCRs too. That's cool.
Actually, at the corner store, Jimmy had 2 VCRs.
Yes, I did know that. Yeah.
Or Don and Julie had the.
Yeah.
at that
Yeah. They
time.
used to rent a lot of movies. Jimmy still has a lot of those DVDs there in his shop over there. So.
That was the best.
Yeah.
You pick what, 1,000 movies.
Those days are gone now.
All right. So, so this is the top sides.
What do we want to do next?
Let's just mount. Let's put the clamps. So this is the bottom. Oh, wait a second. This is longer.
Yeah, it is.
I bet you this is the. Oh, I know. It's supposed to go this way.
I'm confused now too. Wait a minute. So
This is the top.
this is the top.
So we'll just unscrew here and
Okay.
put them up there.
All right. At least the holes are there already.
The holes are there.
We're gonna unscrew this.
No, unscrew.
These.
Yeah.
Okay.
With the wood all the same color.
Yeah. It's hard. Okay. You're free.
Okay.
Glad you noticed that before the wood cured.
So this needs to. Okay, we need to flip that side up.
Okay, so that's a shelf, or
This is the side. Goes. The shelves are long like this one. It's longer than this, taller.
okay.
And that can stand by itself.
I see. And then that goes over here.
Yeah.
Okay. And there's no bottom to it, right?
No bottom.
Okay. So that, well, that will turn clear. So not the end of the world. And you can always scrape it off after it cures.
Put some glue on there now.
Okay.
This is a good way to do it. Put our hinges on first.
Yeah. I didn't know that this wasn't on. Dang it.
It'll dry clear, right?
Yeah.
Today's theme.
It'll dry clear. That should be the name of the video. It'll dry clear. At least it didn't land on my shoe. Or my watch. I would have been upset about my watch. It's all good. Maybe one of these days we'll do a video showing what my watch can do. It can do a lot. It's like, do you ever see Spy Kids?
Yeah.
Remember the whole watch that could do everything but tell time? This is the watch that can do everything and tell time.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, it's got a GPS on there, and people can like track my location from it if they want. Like when I was on the AT, they my mom and Jade would check in and see where my location was through my watch. Okay. Let me come around and
Screw those in. Well, wait a second.
this is the same length, right?
Okay.
Looks like it.
Just like different angles, huh? Different.
It looks like it's a tiny little bit shorter. Oh, because
Oh,
look at where you got it mounted.
we're on the outside.
Yeah, that's why. So
That's right.
those are gonna have to come off.
So we could go like this. Screw those on. Like that. Then we'll put the others.
Well, it's not gonna be.
I meant just screw those, and then we'll undo these ones and drop it down.
Yeah, we can do that. That works. Okay.
Well, I got it up in the air. It needs to be. Wait a sec. Where does it need to be? Oh yeah, on the
Yeah,
edge.
the way you had it. Yeah, on the edge.
Okay. All right. There.
Okay. this how you wanted it. What this
This is
was
upside down. You're right. You're
right.
right. You're
So it
right.
needs to be like that. And probably right around there. That looks pretty good with the line.
Yeah. I can't believe these screws came from a cheap cabinet or a cheap book, and they're pretty solid. I thought the ends would strip off.
Yeah, right? I'd be a little worried too, but no,
But,
they're not stripping at all. Because I've had some screws that, yeah, they just start stripping when you start trying to really put some tension on them. But these are pretty good. Out there look good?
Yeah.
Oh, hello. Okay.
It went wrapped her around and landed right in the same spot.
Yeah.
The right spot.
Okay.
Only on YouTube that'll happen.
Yeah.
That's not edited.
Watch, that'll make it go viral. There we go. Need a little tighter?
That'd be good for now. I'll tighten it.
Okay.
I know this came from we bought this shelf from a secondhand store. It came from the Air Force.
Oh.
They had it was a lockers for the Air Force or some.
Okay. Cool.
So the wood's really good.
Yeah, it feels like it's actually good quality wood.
It was like 5 feet tall with 3 drawers in the bottom.
Okay.
Like I don't know what you put in the middle. We never had too much stuff to stick in the middle. But Jason needed a dresser for his room, so I cut the 4 feet. I cut the top off of it,
Okay.
and then I had all this wood extra.
Look at that.
Nice. Here we go.
Tighten that one a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. I would do it further down on the bottom there. Like, I would actually do it underneath the bottom of this.
Okay.
Oh, so.
Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Get that over enough.
Good. See, and then it already makes it much straighter. Okay. Why don't we spin it around?
Looks good.
All right. Let's stand it up on the right side up.
Okay.
There we go. Now we can
There
throw
we
those
go.
boards in there. Yep.
You do it the easy way.
Oh, we get there eventually.
This is like almost too small for a big screen.
Yeah. You're right. I don't even know if a big TV would fit in there. Maybe a 32-inch.
We could put these in just to hold.
Slide it in.
It's quite a...
There it is. And then we're going to need one of those other smaller pieces, right?
We'll adjust that later. The split board things.
That's level right there. So nice job.
It's riding on that. Oh, it is. They're riding both on the yellow part of the clamp, so they're right on.
Perfect.
I mean,
Okay.
Let's see.
Can you hold this at all?
Yeah.
Okay. This is where we're going to need multiple pairs of hands.
Wedge that in there. Perfect.
Awesome. I'll do one over here.
Somebody's in there. There we go. Same deal?
Yep, same deal.
Oh, there's a...
Yeah, so go right over there. Actually, here, I can put the screw on there. It's magnetic, it should stay. Okay.
Okay, my little finger.
I thought it was going to bounce into the blue bottle for a second, which would have been hysterical.
Yeah.
Okay. Go.
Try on this side, dear, if you want.
Let me pack it off and straighten it just a little bit.
Oh, here, I'll hold it.
Okay.
There we go. There.
You good? All right, very good.
So I just get this side. And then,
And I can pop the screws on this, get that mounted.
yeah, and both sides. Huh?
Yeah.
I can take the clamps off.
Yes.
Yeah, here we go. My tools deserve something like this.
Yes, they do.
All the
They're internet stars.
there we go.
Okay. This is. This is long enough. I might be able to just pop this in there. Okay, one side. I'm gonna pop these in over here.
Oh yeah. Pour the other shelves in a way.
Yep. And
Maybe I didn't got more screws than we have.
yeah, you have more screws than the brackets.
Nice.
Good.
Suck that down.
Mhm.
Wow. Beautiful. That fits in like a glove.
Perfect. And then we got two for here. Let me take this clamp off. And then we can get this level.
I think.
Maybe. Down a little bit. Right there.
I'll have to hold that.
Yeah, I got it.
My clamp won't reach. But
Oh, it won't reach? Okay.
let's check this way. It's actually staying.
Yeah, that is staying.
It's close. It's in the bubble.
Is it? Okay.
It could go. I'm way out of- Use air.
And you here. Okay, one.
Nice. Can
Can you hold that bracket on?
Oh yeah, like last time. Yeah.
Yeah, and then that will help. I can pop this
Right there. Wow.
Right on.
Perfect.
Awesome. Excellent.
From this way, we'll know then this hole will be up.
Exactly.
We are.
Do the top too.
Okay, there we
There we go.
Below that.
Okay.
We have the line.
Awesome.
So it'll be below this line and above that line.
Yeah, well, it works. It's fine.
We might as well
Yeah.
make it difficult.
That one will be like that, right? That one will be right about there.
I should have drilled on the other side. I should have drilled it. Do you want to drill the holes first, man?
I can just drill the hole straight into it
Okay.
from there. That's all right.
You'll see
I
it.
would say let's just make sure it's level, and then I should be able to eyeball it.
Oh, yeah.
That looks good there. And then,
Nice.
is that fine?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the back of that. The cracks will be in the short pieces will be in the back.
That? Okay. Perfect. One more at the other end.
Good where it is.
Popped it right out.
Pretty good twist on that.
Yeah. Because it's got the big battery in there. The other.
There we go. It's good though.
It's in there though. I can see it.
Yeah. I mean, it's nice. There we go. I'll hold it. Nice. That's
Big
good.
grip on it, right? Okay.
This side will go down where it's supposed to go.
Okay. Is it level?
And it's level.
Okay.
Leaning but level in the bubble. I guess we could have done this for the whole thing, but
It's all
I
good.
wanted to use
You had the
those-
brackets.
I had the
yeah.
brackets. I wanted to use the brackets.
I don't blame you.
They've been sitting on there. Every time I walk into the shed, I see the brackets.
Yeah, and you're like, I gotta use them for something.
This is looking like you buy this in a Sears catalog, huh?
Yeah. How's that?
That looks nice.
Nice and level. Okay. All right.
We
one
even
more.
have, okay, we got the helper there.
We got one there to hold it, which is great.
So we'll,
So we can pop that on there.
you know. You want to, yeah, drill, yeah, we'll have that drilled.
Hey, I can still put another screw on this side.
Yeah,
of it.
put, you know, I don't know, it's longer, but this is the back anyway.
Okay.
That's the motto. It's the back, nobody will see it.
Yeah. That and it will dry clear. that side's good. Do 2 over here.
Yeah, that's where it's supposed to be.
Mm-hmm. So we'll do 1 right there.
Yeah. This is this stuff's real wood.
Okay.
It's far more solid, huh, than this press board.
Yeah. Much more. Okay.
Nice.
Smack Arlen with it.
There you go. Oh yeah.
Hello. Now you smack me with it.
You're getting rid of the ceiling there?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
That is nice.
All right. There's a little bit of lip right here,
Yeah.
but it's not bad. It's not gonna move.
Okay. Will your things fit underneath it?
Here's the big test. We can put them here,
Yeah. Or there, either one.
yeah, or here. That's too high.
I like them right there. There we go. And it isn't shaky at all. It's pretty solid.
I can always do it later if I ever got weird.
Yeah. If it starts to loosen up over time.
Well,
Good.
thank you for watching our shelf building video. Please like and subscribe.